I'm gonna tell y'all a story right now. Take a little trip down memory lane. Check it out.
I was born a geek, mentally strong but physically weak. Always getting picked on by meatheads who thought I was a freak. I knew that I could rhyme but didn't embrace it at the time. Then one day I was hanging around, an idea popped into my mind. Maybe I'll be a rapper, they'll call me Nerd Nasty. Hopped on GoDaddy and I bought that domain in a flash beat. Got home and laid it down, thinking I just might share my profound sound using website tonight. Got challenged to a fight, or should I say a battle, by the very same jock who used to wield the paddle. The whole school saw my site, wanted to watch and test me.
So I stepped on stage and gave the jock a verbal wedgie. A rep was in the crowd, couldn't believe the outcome. He signed me, cut a record, watched it go octuple platinum. Now the whole world wants to know about me. I tell him I'm stunned with GoDaddy, stunned with GoDaddy, I'm a G.
Come to GoDaddy, show the world what you can do. Come to GoDaddy, you can make your dreams come true. Come to GoDaddy, your domain is waiting for you.
Nerd Nasty 2010, another GoDaddy production. Get out your boy, nerdnasty.com. Couldn't have done it without you, baby. GoDaddy.